Good students, today we will study about differential coefficient of the product of two functions. Okay students? Here this concept is very important. Case 19, here differential coefficient of differentiating of the two product differentiating of the two product is equal to first function into differential coefficient of second plus second function into differential coefficient of first function. On this formula we differentiate up to given function. Okay student, here if give an example, here if y is equal to u and v two function first and second, the multiplication or the product of two function u and v, if y is equal to uv, find dy by dx of this. Here solution for this, y is equal to uv, here differentiating with respect to x both sides. Here dy by dx is equal to first function differentiate coefficient of second and plus second function into differentiating with respect to x of u, second first function. second into differentiating of v plus second into differentiate coefficient of first. On this basis, we differentiate of these types of question. Example, as if y is equal to x sin x, then find dy by dx. Okay, student? Solution for this: differentiating both sides with respect to, here y is equal to x sin x is given, differentiating both sides, differentiating with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to first function into second function, first function x into differentiate coefficient of sin x and plus second function sin x into differential coefficient of x, differential coefficient of x. Differential coefficient of x. Okay, student. Here dy by dx is equal to x d upon dx sin x, d upon dx sin x is equal to cos x. This value is cos x, d upon dx sin x, plus sin x d upon d, dx upon dx, dx upon dx is equal to 1. Here this value is 1. We get dy by dx is equal to x cos x plus sin x, which is answer. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve on this formula. If you know of this formula, then you can solve these types of questions. Okay, student? After this, case 19. Case 20. Differential coefficient of the quotient of two functions two function. Differential coefficient. Here, if two function is given, differential coefficient, here y is equal to, let y is equal to numerator by denominator. These types of question is given. In this case, denominator into differential coefficient of differential coefficient of numerator minus numerator into differential coefficient of denominator. Okay, student? By denominator square, whole square of denominator. These types of questions, on this basis, some question I give you, you solve on this basis. Or here you write, if y is equal to u by v, then you write here denominator into numerator d upon dx u minus u into d upon dx of v, differential coefficient of denominator. Okay, denominator into numerator minus numerator into denominator, differential coefficient. Divide by denominator square. So these types of questions, this is also a formula in shortcut. Here I give you an example. If y is equal to x sin x upon x, find dy by dx. Okay, student? Solution for this: y is equal to sin x by x, differentiating both sides, differentiating with respect to x of both sides. Then we get here dy by dx is equal to differentiating coefficient her denominator x into d upon dx sin x minus sin x into dx upon dx by x square, denominator square, dy upon dx is equal to x and d upon dx sin x value is cos x minus sin x, and the value of dx upon dx is equal to 1 by x square. Okay students, therefore dy by dx is equal to x cos x minus sin x upon x square, which is answer. These types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.